welcome back. Usually, you know, I bake, I always have special guests, and they usually my girlfriends, my daughters, my nieces. Today, because it's a very special day, I have someone amazing that I want you to meet. So let me introduce you my friend Juan Pablo.
Wait. Am I the first man invited to this show?
Yes.
Am I your first man?
You are my first.
Wow.
I wish.
That is fantastic.
Yeah. So Juan Pablo is a good friend of mine. We met a couple of years ago, remember? When you were filming, were you filming Narcos?
No,
you were done?
no, that was already done. I think I was filming Shot Caller, I believe. I think I was doing Shot Caller movie, yeah.
And when I saw him in Narcos season 1, I was like really mad.
Yes.
Because he got killed and I didn't like it at all.
That's usually how bad guys end.
Yeah, but you were good.
I was not good.
You were the good of the bad, okay?
I mean, I'm not gonna mess with your opinion, that's your perception, but
Exactly.
that was definitely not good, but yeah.
But anyway, we are going to make tres leches.
Tres Leches, we are.
What
Which is
is it?
from Mexico.
Ah, see?
No, no. Hey, I really knew. But in Colombia, I'm from Colombia, in Bogota, we eat a lot of tres leches, right? And it's one of those things for me that I try anywhere I'm in the world. If there's a tres leches, I will try it.
Me too.
Okay?
I love it.
So my standards are pretty high, so we better do this right.
Let's
Okay?
do it.
All right.
I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients
All right.
first. So you have egg white, sugar, milk, vanilla extract, more sugar, yolk, salt, baking powder, cinnamon, and flour.
All right.
So you're going to whisk. There's a whisk.
With a
okay?
whisk.
Yeah.
How do you call this? Is it a whisker? Or is it just a whisk?
A whisk.
How do you say?
A whisk.
Is it whisk?
Un petit fouet in French.
Un petit
¿Cómo
fouet?
se dice en español?
Whisko.
Ah, sí,
No,
un whisk.
I have no idea.
Un
No
pega
idea.
hombre.
Tengo ni
Un
idea.
mata hombre.
Whoosh.
Sí. So we have flour here. We're gonna add, and you're gonna whisk. I'm
Okay.
gonna add, and you whisk.
So I start whisking already?
Yeah.
Okay, whisk away.
Baking powder.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yes.
Right. And salt.
I love putting salt. You know, I put salt in my anything sweet that I
Fruit.
have.
I know,
put
I
salt.
love it too.
I put salt in my whenever I do like butter and jam.
Right.
I always
Oh,
put
yes.
salt on it.
And the coarse
pancakes
one.
with the maple syrup.
So we're done with these. You're gonna put it
I prove
aside.
it to be a great whisker.
Oui, exactly.
Je suis le grand whisker.
Je suis le grand batteur.
Batteur,
Oui.
batteur.
Batteur, exact.
All
So
right,
now, look, I prepare for you 6 yolk that you're gonna beat.
Okay.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Sucre.
Relax. Yeah. And we're gonna bring it to a stage that in French we call a ruban.
A what?
A ribbon. A ruban.
A ribbon.
So, un terciopelo se dice en
No,
español?
ribbon? Que sea como un lazo.
Yeah.
Like
Un lazo. Un lazo.
Oh, like a ribbon, yeah.
Yeah. So, you know, and when we do this cake, we have to go fast. I mean, and we don't want to incorporate too much air because, you know, it's the process going to be soaking. A lot of soaking is going to be involved. So look, this is going to be white, right?
Le ribbon.
Un ruban. So it's a little bit like when you do, how do you call that, the eggnog, thickness-wise.
Okay.
But don't get confused, it's not. So now you're gonna add the milk.
Milk.
Yeah,
So this is full milk, like
Yeah.
not. So it's not LA milk. It's real milk.
it's real milk.
Okay.
You can do LA milk, but you know. Okay. And the vanilla extract, the little brown thing. Yes.
So good.
Yum.
All right.
Yeah. Now we're
Okay.
gonna add all the dry ingredients.
All right.
So you're gonna start, and we're gonna do it by hand, very important,
Why by hand?
because I say so.
Oh yes, boss.
Because it's, you know, you can feel I don't know, it's better. I have no clue. I can feel it better, you know, yeah. Clockwise always. Yeah.
Why clockwise?
Because it incorporates better, otherwise you break the texture, and I don't like that.
Wow. Is that like physics stuff?
Oui, oui, oui.
C'est très intéressant.
C'est très intéressant. Si. It's the way it is. It's the way.
No, that makes
the
sense.
cookie,
You know, like they say, like when you're hurt or something, you always have to move your hand like clockwise, right?
Yeah.
So everything starts kind of
Exactly.
tightening up. So it's like you're tightening things that way, and then it's like a screw, right? It's like there is a, if you go clockwise, you're tightening. If you go counterclockwise, you're unscrewing, right?
You're very sophisticated for me.
Ah, je suis
Oui, très sophistiqué, oh là là.
Wow.
And now I'm gonna make a meringue.
A meringue, all right.
So,
I love the texture already. Look at this. I can eat it right away. Can I taste this?
yeah, you can if you really feel like it. If you get sick, I'm not responsible.
I love this process.
Yeah.
So good. So one very beloved aunt, she was the sister of my grandma. She was a very famous baker
Oh, really?
in a small town in Colombia, in Palmira. And I remember with the meringue, we would go crazy over the meringue. I would just eat it, and we ate a lot of this too.
The petit pain. So we're gonna do, so put this aside,
Yep.
and we're gonna do a meringue. So give me the egg whites.
Yes.
Okay. So now, I'm gonna give you a trick. When you do a meringue, when you make a meringue, you know, the secret of meringue is the sugar and the egg white.
Okay.
But you have to beat the egg white for a little bit before you add the sugar.
Okay.
Because you don't want any moist, otherwise, froof, and you want shoof.
If you don't want the shoof, you can't let
Yeah.
the foof.
Voila.
Is that exactly how it's? I love the technicality of this.
Yeah, that's, so we're starting to have a consistency, and we're gonna pour the sugar slowly.
Now?
Yeah, gently. Voila. Yes, yes. So we're building a good meringue. See? Perfect. Yeah.
I'm good at this. I am good at doing this.
Right on. So see, now we have a good medium consistency. It's not too hard. Actually, it's pretty hard, but it's... So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold the dry and the wet. So see how this is hard? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit in order to soften it, you know? Let's make it more flexible and pliable. And now we're gonna keep adding. So you...
I do this?
Yeah, wait.
All right. Okay, here we go.
You know, excuse you, I
What?
saw you doing the wrong way. Yeah,
I
I
did not
saw
see
you.
that. But you didn't tell me that it was only one way now. That was before.
I told you it's always okay.
Oh, it's always okay. More?
Look how pretty it's coming
Look at
up.
this. It's
Right?
it already looks edible. Look at that beauty.
Yeah, wait.
Okay, go.
Can I correct a little bit? Because regarde,
Please.
you're leaving the side and it's not good. You have to scrape the bowl and scrape the side. Oh! Well, I'm sorry. Well, I'm sorry. I'm just
I'll help you with this.
Yeah, okay, thank you. But you have to scrape
really
the
good.
side. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's the dough. So now you're gonna pass me the little pan I've prepared over there.
Is this a little pan?
Well, yeah. You know, it's buttered.
Is here okay?
Yes.
Okay.
It's buttered.
It's
and
buttered.
When you make it at home, make sure that you choose the right vessel because you're gonna serve the cake in it. So it has to be a pretty one.
Pretty
Not
one.
It's for you too.
Okay.
So now pour these into it.
Okay.
Okay?
See, whoa, I'm making a mess already.
Yeah, well.
How should I pour it? Just all over the place?
Well, yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah. Beautiful. Look how good you are.
I told you.
Yeah. You know, when I was in school, I had a girlfriend, the parents owned a pastry shop in Paris and a boulangerie, you know. And the mother was super fat. And the daughter was like, no, she doesn't eat the cake. She just gained weight. It's just the smell of it. I'm like, oh.
Right.
Okay, Juan Pablo, let's
Yes.
put this in
But
the
wait,
oven.
so it's 35 minutes at 350,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Okay,
right
be
here?
careful. Don't burn. Yes, yes, yes.
There you go.
And now we can close it. Okay, so Juan Pablo, now please, you're gonna pull the cake from the oven. Be careful where the pink meets because
right
it's
here?
really hot.
Okay.
And bring it to me here.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate.
I'm already married, so I know how this works.
I'm learning the words.
Watch
they
it.
say.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. There
Okay.
you go.
So now we're gonna poke holes
Why?
because
Ah, so it kind of soaks in.
that's the thing. Okay, so
Science is a wonderful thing.
Holes. While I'm doing this, you're
Yes.
gonna mix the milk. This goes in the milk. This is condensed milk.
So this is condensed milk?
Yeah.
I just pour it in?
Yeah, and you're gonna whisk.
Okay.
Okay.
Pour it in, and I whisk
Yeah.
now.
Whisk it.
Whisk it real good.
Yes, please.
How about that? Good, whisk it.
Yeah. Please don't
Whisk it
drip it
real
on me.
good.
That's
Or we have
working.
with the other one. Devo.
Excuse you.
Sorry.
I mean, I see
Sorry.
a lot of
I'm
noise,
an
but no
artist.
action.
I'm an artist.
No, but seriously, no action. Okay, now this goes into this. This is evaporated milk.
So for this we have another song.
That's why it's
Correct
tres
that
leches.
whisk.
Yeah.
Thank you,
I
buddy.
mean, no, really, a lot of.
Are you a music person? You know how we call that? The faff. A lot of faff.
Excuse you. Right now, I'm poking holes. You know, it's
Correct that whisk.
perfect. We like that. And the last but not the least, the vanilla extract.
We're gonna whisk it.
Yes.
Whisk it good.
Yes. Be gentle and
You think we
nice.
use that song? You're gonna have to. It's gonna be like beep.
I know, right? No,
We're never
but
getting
it's
the
a
right-
new version. Okay.
It's the bad version of them. They're gonna be like, oh my god, he's destroying the song.
No, it's not. She's making a tres leche with it.
How do you grab? Like, is this the right way of grabbing this, or should it be like
It's
more
all good.
sophisticated?
It's all good.
Like,
Yep, it's all good.
Yeah, okay.
And now we're gonna start to pour it
okay,
over the cake. So doucement.
like slowly.
Yes.
Okay.
Yum. So look at this.
Yeah.
So see how the milk
It's
has
soaked?
absorbed? Yeah, it's soaked. Now you're gonna pour the rest of it.
All right.
Because what we want, it's a very moist cake, right?
Moist.
And all vanilla up and yum and voila. Yum.
Wow.
Yes. Now
Okay.
it's, yeah.
Good thing about this is no calories at all.
No zero.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! It floated. Oh! Did you see that?
Yes.
That was
Isn't
awesome.
it amazing?
I'm like a little. I get very, very excited with stuff like this.
I know, me too.
And now I
It was
have like
wow.
I really want to just like kind of start pushing it, you know, and seeing the liquid, but I know we have to chill it, so I'm not
Yeah,
gonna.
so we're gonna actually put it in the fridge. So Juan Pablo, now
Yeah.
we're gonna make whipped cream.
Okay.
You know, chantilly. Because you know how the tres leche always have cream on top?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna make it. So very easy.
How do you make chantilly?
I'm gonna show you in a minute.
What is that?
This is whipping cream, heavy whipping cream,
Yes.
right? And powdered sugar.
What? Oh, powdered sugar.
It's confectioner sugar.
Okay.
You can, you know, it's basically like when you make a meringue or egg whites, it's gonna grow,
Okay.
right? But not too long because otherwise it turns into butter, and we want the cream, not the butter.
Oh, really? Oh, that's like the little tail with the mice and the cream. Remember? It's from Catch Me If You Can, from the movie.
Right.
So Christopher Walken tells this story about two mice who fell on whipping cream, and one of them, you know, just gave up and he drowned,
and the other one
kept and made butter and get out of it.
Yeah. Yeah. But we're not making butter, we're making cream.
Exactly. We're
Okay?
making cream.
Yeah, because we have no mice in it.
Not that we know of.
No. What you can do already is maybe bringing the cake over here.
Okay.
Perfect.
This is nice and chill now. Chill.
And see
How
how
much time did we leave in the freezer?
about 4 hours.
About 4 hours.
So see how it's changing consistency?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Why is it called Chantilly? Does it have a story?
Chantilly, yeah, Chantilly. It's a city in
Oh, that's
outside
right,
Paris.
in France, yeah.
And that's where the cream was invented. So look what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
So.
So what's interesting about this cake, I can see it has a bunch of like a little bit of the world, right? Because I was reading also that it comes, you know, from the tradition of like British cakes and like soak cakes and stuff like that. So this is the Mexican version of what's that called? One of those like whiskey cakes?
Oh yeah. Oui. Baba au rhum kind of.
Okay, so yeah, so you have the Chantilly, which is very French, right?
Yes.
So it's definitely a better version. And tiramisu also.
Yes,
it's Italian.
true.
So you have, you know, a little bit of the world.
Yes,
you know?
true. It's
I
true.
like that.
So now,
Yeah.
gently but surely, you're gonna sprinkle a bit of cinnamon.
You want me to do it gently? Are you sure? Oh, come on. You still have faith in me?
Yes, I do.
Check this out. Check this out. What? Oh my God.
Voila.
I am the Pablo Picasso of cinnamon.
Okay. Voila. Stop.
Stop.
That's perfect. Because we want it not too much.
So it's just a little touch.
Yes, it's just for the color and decoration.
Okay.
Voila. Now guess what? You're not allowed to have it.
That doesn't make any sense.
Thank you. Look at the beauty you made.
Hey. Well, I didn't make it. You just told me what to do. But that's how it works.
Yes.
Thank you, beauty.
Well, thank you so much for joining me today. It was such a pleasure to make
wait
with
a
you.
minute.
So much fun.
Whoa. I want to try it.
Yeah, but not now.
What? So hurry up and wait. Am I gonna try?
Yeah. That looks good.
I am a great cake baker.
You are. You are the best. Thank you for following me, and I hope you enjoyed making that cake.
I did.
I look to the last crumb. We will be dropping a video every Thursday at 6 p.m. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Thank you. That's
Thank
enough. It's not for you.
Are you sure?
Okay, you can take it home.
This was very good, guys. Thank you, love.
Bye.